Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy double stamp nail design. So I'm going to use this bluish gray by Pacifica called Dolphin, a gold stamping polish by BMC called Liquid Gold, and a blue one called Royal Blue. And I'm going to use my Buitee Collections O2 nail plate, and I'm going to first apply the gold polish onto this like circular nail stamp design. I just thought this is a really fun and easy design. You can do it with any stamping plates that you have. It's really quick and simple. You can use any colors you want, but I just thought adding the gold and the blue onto that nail polish just made the whole thing work really well together. And like I said, double stamping is really simple and easy. You can do it with any colors you want, with any plates you want, and it gives your nails just a nice look. And that's what I wanted to do. I want to show you something really quick, simple, and easy. As you can see, I applied that gold and blue, and once I was done, I just removed the liquid latex, cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. Like I said, this is a really easy design. You can do with any stamping plates that you want. And here's a finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.